You should buy my children. Hi, I'm a child trafficker. One of the toughest jobs out there. Have you ever worked in a coal mine or mowed your lawn and thought to yourself, God, I wish I could just buy some kid from a third world country to mow my lawn and mine my coal for me? Well, now you can. For as low as $69.99, you will no longer have to worry about your next chore. You don't have to feed them, pay them, or worry about being sued for giving your workers an unsafe work environment or raising them. Once you're done, you can just throw them away. That's what I do. There are so many reasons for you to buy them. Isn't that right, biblically accurate angel? Please buy them. Acting in Jimmy Neutron's show just isn't paying enough. For just $6.99, you too could get your own child slave. Just go to tips/wheezerchild.wixsite.com/Wheezer's trafficking. And what's this? That's right. For a limited time, we'll throw in another child for free. Just go to hip/call-weezerchild.wixsite.com/Weezer's trafficking.
We don't actually sell children. We just sell very tight thongs for men. Talk to your doctor if it's right for you to associate yourself with child trafficking. Carl Wheezer actually died from overdosing on ketamine the very next day. What is Obama's last name? I'm wanted by the Italian mafia for making linguine incorrectly.
Get your slave today.